Yo, back again. Switched out
Echo,
the battery.
so the most you're gonna do is like 16.
16? Okay, cool.
For now. Like, this is what I do with everybody. This baby stuff.
This is the big boy, the Wolf King GT. About to try this out here. Eco and dual motors. Yo, the deck size on this bad boy is tough, bro. Okay, let's go. Okay. Yo, there's just something so nice about having dual stem, bro. Very good at off-roading. That's to say the least, bro. Look at the fucking ground clearance on this bad boy. And he got 12-inch tires on them, I think. Or do they come with 11-inch ones? Even though they look like they have they look like they are PMTs. I'm gonna ask him right now. Oh, it does the howling. That's tough. Oh, fuck. Yo, what's up with the rear brake? Yo, the rear brake not working?
My rear brake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's working, but I think it needs a little bit more oil, right?
I just recently did it. I use both brakes at the same time. You really most of supposed to use 70% of the front brake, like a motorcycle brake.
Yo, bro, make sure you get his number.
Oh, for sure.
He rides. Bro.
What a kickstand?
I got two.
That kid fucked up. That's why we need it.
Let me continue riding this joint here. I got his number. Even though this joint like 100 pounds, you don't really feel it when you're on it, bro. Yo, the amount of riding positions I could assume on this thing, bro. The road here isn't that good, so you know what I'm saying. We can't put this in higher modes to get the tires to peel and shit. Especially on the grass, you can't have the tires peeling on grass, bro. Yo, the howling is so tough. Oh, let me get on here. Let's see, I'm on eco, so let's see if the tires can still peel out. Yeah, nah, acceleration is like very gradual and eco and mode 1. Okay, not bad. And how do I turn the power up? Should be buttons somewhere. Yo, the horn on this bad boy is nice. Tough. Just like a motorcycle. Shouldn't there be like buttons here? What the fuck? How do you change the mode? Isn't this touchscreen? Is this? Nah, it's not. Oh, right here. I look so dumb. It's in mode 1. Did that do anything? Okay. It was in eco mode and now it's in 1. Let's see if that does anything different. Oh fuck. 1 is the like walking mode, I think. Yeah, 2 is okay. Okay. Let's see if I can get the tires to peel. Nice. There was a little peel out. The delay and the throttle is crazy though. Like mine is like fucking instant. This has the infamous dead zone, which mine doesn't have, I think. Let's go on the grass here. It corners magnificently despite the big size and weight. Bro, when you're on this, you don't even feel like it weighs 100 pounds. Let me do a little jump. Really putting this bad boy to the test, bro. The front suspension, very nice. The what are these called? Hydraulic. Front fork suspension. I got a little bit of wheel spin just now. And mode 2. You'd be crazy if I put this in mode 3, right? Fuck it. Fuck! Oh my god. The power is there, guys. The power is there. From a standstill. Watch. I don't got the fuck. My phone GPS thing for the app Insta360 running, so yeah, I hope it's capturing the speed properly. Yo, bro, I don't know how fast that went because I wasn't looking at my display, but like, dude, I could do this all day, bro. I could do this shit all day. The acceleration. I think it'd be too crazy to have mode 3 on the grass. But it's got sine wave controllers, so you know what I'm saying. Acceleration is very gradual and shit. Even though I'm in mode 3, let's put it in mode 4 for fun. You guys see that? Oh! I didn't even start yet, bro. Let's go gradual, and then we'll do from a standstill. Fuck! Woo! Oh my goodness. Okay. It's still kind of gradual. Dude, the wheel spin, bro. People who have monster scooters like this with over 7,000 watts have to replace their tires so often, I bet. I'm trying to like push my weight forward on this so I don't get as much wheel spin, but still. Oh, there's a nice lake over there. I gotta go check it out later on. Okay, let's do from a standstill. Does not compare to my scooter at all, bro. Oh fuck. Hit myself in the forks here. Dude, the 0 to 30 on this 100% is gonna be able to gap a lot of cars on the road, including mine. I have a 2015 Ford Escape. That shit goes 0 to 60 and like I love how you can turn down the mode using the button. 0 to 60 in 9 something seconds. The lower the speed mode, the worse the delay is on this thing. The higher the speed mode though, the more instant you get the power. It's good but also kind of bad too anyway. Yo, appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much.
Had to change my shit.
The back of the brand new, but I can't